These animals have some of the most unsettling yawns you'll ever see. Number 1, pelican. When it stretches that massive beak, it feels like it could gulp down a person whole. Number 2, gorilla. That yawn? It's not sleepy, it's terrifying, like it's about to bite straight through anything. Number 3, hamster. I used to find them adorable until I saw one yawn. Now, tiny furball or tiny beast, you decide. Number 4, frog. You'd expect something spooky, but surprisingly, their yawns are oddly adorable. Number 5, snake. Already scary, already venomous, but when a snake yawns, it's a whole new level of nightmare fuel.